In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track Home Depot order status. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Home Depot website. Type the web address directly into the address bar to avoid any look-alike pages, and once it loads, you should see the familiar orange branding and the main search bar across the top. This is your starting point for tracking deliveries, shipments, and store pickups tied to your recent purchase. Next, click on Login. On desktop, you'll find it in the top right corner of the page. On mobile, it may be inside the menu icon. Clicking Login takes you to the sign-in area. If you already have a Home Depot account, signing in makes tracking easy because your recent orders usually appear under your account automatically. If you checked out as a guest, that's okay too. Just stay on the lookout for the tracking option on this page. Either way, having your order number handy is helpful. You can typically find it in your order confirmation email or on your receipt. After that, click on Track Order. You'll see this option near the account area or in the same general menu where you logged in. The Track Order page is designed to pull up your current status quickly. It commonly shows fields where you can provide your order number and the email address used at checkout, or it will display your orders if you're signed in. Once the system locates your purchase, you'll see a clear status such as processing, shipped, out for delivery, ready for pickup, or delivered. For delivery orders, you may also see a carrier link with more detailed scans and an estimated arrival window. For store pickups, look for the ready for pickup status, which tells you when it's time to head to the store. If you don't see an update right away, give it a little time. Tracking can take a short while to refresh, especially just after you place an order or right after the store prepares an item for pickup. Double check that the order number and email match what you used at checkout. You can also review your confirmation email for any notes about special handling or split shipments, which can cause different items to show different timelines. And that's it. Go to the Home Depot website, click Login, and then click Track Order to view the latest details. Follow the on-screen information to stay up to date, and you'll know exactly when to expect your delivery or when your purchase is ready to pick up.